I am Brad with BEP Exteriors. We're going to show you how to quickly waterproof your windows with the best product in the market, Envelope Sealant. This is a seamless product. It's an upgrade for blue skins. Upgrade to blue skins, sorry. It's better than anything else in the market. For your best investment ever is your home. You want to protect it. That's what this does. It's a hybrid sealant. It's not only tensile, yet it's very flexible. Now it's just squishing right into that nailing flange, bonding to the OSB, bonding, not adhering like tapes and membranes do.
Okay.
As I was saying, I had to reload my cartridge here, the sausage tube. Envelope sealant is a bond, not an adherence. It's just sandwiching itself right in the nailing flange there. This stuff is seamless, therefore it's flawless, because anything that seams has a groove. Water will find its way in, always will. We put this stuff underwater for 48 hours attached to OSB and still flexed 200%, would not let go. So we're embedding it here. And it doesn't even have to be thick. It can be very thin and still do the job. As long as it's there, it'll last forever too. I wouldn't put anything else on a home besides this. The application is easy. It eliminates back sealing the nailing flange. And as you can tell, it doesn't take any rocket science to use it. You don't want to get it on yourself. If you do, a little paint thinner will take it off. After that, after we're done putting it all on, take a 97-cent trowel. You might get it cheaper at your local store. And we just make sure we get it over the nailing flange consistently. This just gives it a little smooth edge. Just make sure you get all the little crevices. Now after that, we'll take our pre-cut pieces, just some 4-inch strips of tie-back for building paper, embed it right in, do it as you would with anything else. Put it in first, overlap it, embed it right into that, and you will have a seal forever and protect your most important investment, your home. Alright, well thanks for tuning in.